Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica, and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we want to share with you guys a super powerful recipe using cloves and rosemary. These two powerhouse herbs have been going super viral because of the immense benefits your hair gets once they're combined. Today's video showcases a recipe for a super potent cloves and rosemary butter that we have been using for the past 8 months. This hair butter is not only super easy to make, but it was very effective in growing and thickening our hair, as well as healing our scalp issues. Since then, we haven't stopped using this hair butter, and we usually remake a new batch immediately it runs out. The original recipe of this hair butter includes ginger and garlic. However, you can opt out of either of them if you find them intolerable. So now, let's get started. Ingredient we use to make this hair butter is garlic. Guys, garlic might be stinky, but it actually contains so many benefits. It contains antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria on the scalp. Garlic is also considered as an alternative form of medicine that could potentially treat alopecia. So guys, the second ingredient we use to make this hair butter is ginger. Now, ginger is super popular for its hair benefits. It helps to improve blood circulation in the scalp, thereby stimulating hair growth. It also helps to fight scalp problems like dandruff, dry scalp, and psoriasis. Now, onto the third ingredient we use to make this hair butter, and it is the major addition, that is cloves. This video would not be complete without this ingredient. Cloves contains a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. It also strengthens the hair and improves scalp health. And now, the last ingredient. We also could not have made this hair butter without this ingredient, and that is rosemary leaves. Now, you can opt to use the fresh rosemary leaves or the dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth to the scalp and improves blood circulation. It also helps to treat scalp irritation, and it prevents hair loss. Rosemary and cloves offer several benefits to the hair once infused together. This is the reason why you're seeing so many videos on rosemary and cloves, because once infused together, honestly, your hair will go to another level. A major benefit of cloves and rosemary paired together is they both promote hair growth. Rosemary is known for its ability to stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth, whilst cloves, on the other hand, contains properties that strengthen the hair and boost hair growth. Once you infuse these two together, they target and heal issues like hair loss, bald patches, and hair thinning. And now another major benefit of cloves and rosemary is they both have conditioning properties that help moisturize and nourish the hair, thereby reducing dryness and frizziness. The next benefit of cloves and rosemary is that they both promote healthy scalp health. Both rosemary and cloves have antimicrobial properties that help maintain scalp health by targeting fungal infections, inflammation, and dandruff. Both herbs create a soothing effect on the scalp, giving it a healed and healthy environment for hair growth. Honestly, combining cloves and rosemary together has been one of the best discoveries for our hair. It honestly took our hair to another level. This butter is perfect for slow hair growth, for bald patches, for alopecia, for dandruff, dry scalp, psoriasis, if you have any hair breakage, brittle hair, and hair thinning. We have been using this hair butter for 8 months now, and we have to admit it is the best hair butter we have ever used. Our hair responds so positively to it that we keep making a new batch. It also has given us major results in hair growth. It's increased our hair density, and it also has healed any scalp infections we were dealing with. Now, you guys must note that if you do not like the smell of garlic, honestly, you don't have much to worry about. The garlic smell is actually not that strong once this hair butter is made. It really is overpowered by the rosemary smell and the peppermint oil smell, so I don't think you actually have anything to worry about. The butter is best stored in the fridge, and it can be used 1 to 2 times a week. For application, you can part your hair in sections, then proceed to line your scalp with the butter like shown in this video. Once applying, you should feel a slight tingling sensation. This just reinforces that your scalp is being stimulated, and this is why it's important to use fresh ingredients like ginger, garlic, rosemary, because it really stimulates your scalp and opens it up for hair growth. After that, you can proceed to apply the hair butter on the body of your hair and the tips of your hair. This butter is especially amazing due to its light coating that works well on both low porosity and high porosity hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to share in the comment section below what you think about this recipe and if you're actually going to try it out. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel stay visible, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.